These are the best laptops for video editing in 2021. Welcome to WhichLaptop. Number 3. ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 17. The ASUS StudioBook S, now renamed to the ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro 17, is an ultra-mobile powerhouse for professional creatives. Again, Pantone validated with 97% color accuracy across DCI-P3 on a 16x10 nanoedge display, and it comes with a couple unique features such as the innovative NumPad displayed across your touchpad and convenient hotkeys for Adobe macros. The familiar pairing of Xeon CPU and Quadro GPU is ideal for video editing of any complexity. But the RAID 0 storage array with up to 6GB per second data speeds is a serious selling point for cutting your loading and buffering times to near zero. It's fast inside and out with Gigabyte class Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 3, which will definitely come in handy when downloading and transferring footage files. Number 2. ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo. When video editing, color accuracy, screen size and resolution plus plenty of RAM and GPU power should be your primary concerns. The Zenbook Pro Duo provides a 100% color correct 100,000:1 contrast ratio, 15.6-inch 4K OLED HDR display, which is unrivaled for visual creatives. Powered by up to a Core i9 CPU and RTX 2060 GPU, this is the upper end of consumer hardware, capable of even movie and documentary complexity. And of course the second screen, an extreme widescreen 14-inch 3840 by 1100 pixel touchscreen, provides an extended workspace for content creation, a fluid workflow for multitasking and navigation, and tactile stylus control for masking and perhaps even motion graphics. And number 1. Acer ConceptD 5 Pro. Positioned neatly between the ConceptD 3 and 7, the ConceptD 5 Pro is the transition from consumer to workstation hardware, pairing an Intel Core i7 processor with a Quadro RTX 3000. It's also the most affordable laptop to feature a 17-inch 4K UHD IPS 100% Adobe RGB display with a Delta E color accuracy of less than 2. The perfect screen for video editing and even color correction. And with Wi-Fi 6 you can download raw video footage, the largest files of any creative professional's workflow, at up to 9.6 gigabits per second. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop that in the comments below. And if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe so maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching WhichLaptop.